Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everyone! Here are some effective yoga poses you can try to strengthen your lower body. And welcome to a brand new yoga journey together. Are you looking to tone your lower body without hitting the gym? You've come to the right place. We're going to explore the power of yoga with 6 effective poses that will strengthen and tone your lower body. No need for fancy equipment. Just bring your mat, an open mind, and let's get started. Remember, listen to your body, modify poses as needed, and most importantly, have fun. We're going to flow, breathe, and connect with our bodies in a whole new way. Let's do this. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Let's begin by finding our foundation, standing tall with feet hip-width apart. Feel the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. Ground down through all 4 corners of your feet, feeling that connection to the earth. Imagine roots growing from your feet, anchoring you. As you inhale, sweep your arms forward and up, reaching towards the sky, palms facing each other. Feel the energy rising through your fingertips. And exhale, bend those knees, lowering your hips as if you're sitting back in a chair. Keep your movement smooth and controlled. Imagine that chair behind you, inviting you to sit back, but keep your core engaged. Feel the strength in your abdomen supporting you. Keep your weight in your heels, feeling that strength in your thighs and glutes. Notice how your body responds to this powerful stance. Lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, and keep your chest lifted and open. This helps maintain balance and ease. Hold this pose, breathing deeply and steadily. Each breath brings calm and focus. With each inhale, find length in your spine. Feel the space between each vertebrae expanding. With each exhale, root down through your feet, igniting the fire in your lower body. Feel the energy grounding you. If you need to modify, feel free to lift your chest a little higher or bring your hands to your hips. Adjustments are part of the practice. Listen to your body. It knows best. Honor its signals and respect its limits. We're building strength, stability, and finding that inner fire. Embrace the challenge and the growth it brings. Hold for a few more breaths, then gently straighten your legs and release your arms back down to your sides. Feel the energy settling within you. Finding strength and focus, Virabhadrasana I. From standing, take a big step back with your right foot, about 3 to 4 feet apart. This will help you create a solid foundation for the pose. Turn your back foot outwards at a 45-degree angle, grounding down through the outer edge of that back foot. This positioning is crucial for maintaining balance. Now, bend your front knee, aligning it over your ankle, creating a 90-degree angle with your front leg. Ensure your knee does not extend past your toes. Keep your back leg straight and strong, pressing through the heel. This will help you feel the stretch in your calf and thigh. As you inhale, raise your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky, palms facing each other. Imagine lengthening your spine with each breath. Feel the stretch through your arms, chest, and shoulders. This will open up your upper body and improve your posture. Keep your hips squared towards the front of your mat, engaging your core muscles to maintain stability. This engagement is key to holding the pose. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, finding length in your neck. This will help you avoid tension and strain. Gaze forward, fixing your gaze on a point in front of you to help with balance and focus. This focal point is known as your drishti. Breathe deeply, feeling the strength and stability in your legs and core. Each breath should bring a sense of calm and grounding. Hold for a few more breaths. Then gently straighten your front leg, lower your arms, and step back to the starting position. Move with mindfulness and control. Repeat on the other side, stepping back with your left foot. Ensure you follow the same steps to maintain balance and symmetry in your practice. Embracing expansion, Virabhadrasana Titu. From standing, step your feet wide apart, about 3 to 4 feet. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees, aligning your right heel with the arch of your left foot. Extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor, palms facing down. Feel your chest broaden and your heart open. Bend your right knee over your right ankle, creating a 90-degree angle. Keep your left leg straight and strong, pressing through the outer edge of your left foot. Gaze over your right fingertips, keeping your neck long and your shoulders relaxed. Feel the stretch through your inner thighs, hips, and chest. Breathe deeply, feeling the strength and stability in your legs and core. Hold for a few more breaths, then gently straighten your right leg and turn your feet back to parallel. Repeat on the other side, bending your left knee and gazing over your left fingertips. Remember to breathe deeply and find that sense of expansion in the pose. Embracing power, Utthata Konasana. Step your feet wide apart, toes pointing outward at a 45-degree angle. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs as you position your feet. Ground down through all 4 corners of your feet, feeling stable and rooted. Imagine your feet growing roots deep into the earth, providing a solid foundation. Bend your knees, lowering your hips down as if you're sitting back in a chair. Ensure your knees are aligned with your toes, not extending past them. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged. Draw your navel in towards your spine to support your lower back. Raise your arms to shoulder height, bending your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Feel the energy flowing from your fingertips. Keep your palms facing forward, as if you're holding a large beach ball. This helps to open your chest and engage your upper body. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, keeping your chest lifted and open. Imagine a string pulling your chest upwards. Gaze straight ahead, feeling the strength and power in your legs and core. Let your focus be steady and unwavering. Hold this pose, breathing deeply and steadily. Each breath brings calmness and stability. With each inhale, find length in your spine. Feel the space between each vertebrae expanding. With each exhale, root down through your feet, igniting the fire in your lower body. Feel the energy radiating from your core. If you need to modify, feel free to lift your chest a little higher or bring your hands to your hips. Adjustments are part of honoring your body. Listen to your body. It knows best. Trust its signals and respond with kindness. We're building strength, stability, and finding that inner power. Embrace the challenge and the growth it brings. Hold for a few more breaths, then gently straighten your legs and release your arms back down to your sides. Feel the sense of accomplishment and peace. Finding length and release. Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Place your arms alongside your body, palms facing down. Press into your feet and lift your hips off the floor, engaging your glutes and hamstrings. Keep your thighs and feet parallel to each other. Clasp your hands together underneath your back, rolling your shoulders underneath you. Press your arms down into the mat to lift your chest higher. Keep your neck long and relaxed, gazing straight up at the ceiling. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch through your chest, shoulders, and spine. Hold for a few more breaths, then gently release your hands and slowly lower your hips back down to the mat, one vertebra at a time. Finding balance and focus, Vrksasana. Stand tall with your feet together, grounding down through both feet. Find a focal point in front of you to help with balance. Shift your weight onto your left foot and bend your right knee, bringing the sole of your right foot to your inner left thigh. Avoid pressing your foot directly on your knee. Bring your palms together in front of your chest, fingertips pointing upwards. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged. If you feel balanced, you can raise your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky, palms facing each other. Keep your gaze soft and focused on your drishti. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your inner thighs and the strength in your standing leg. If you lose your balance, simply return to standing and try again. Gently lower your right foot back to the floor and repeat on the other side, standing on your right foot and bringing your left foot to your inner right thigh. Great work, everyone. You flowed, you breathed, and you strengthened your amazing lower body. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and most importantly, have fun. Keep practicing these poses and feel the difference in your strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. And remember, you are strong, you are capable, and you are radiant. Until next time, keep shining your light. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today.